ngayong wala na yung mga bata, I'm sure naiisip na niyang bumalik sa pagiging straight para magkaroon ng pamilya. Think about it.
Mas mabuti na nasa US ka, no? Kasama mo yung totoo mong daddy at hindi yung mga bakla mo, tito. Bad talaga kayong dalawa. Angas ka pa! Sige! Sige, banata mo!
Ikaw ang tinawagan ko dahil ikaw ang contact na nakalagay sa records ng mga bata.
Excuse me.
Dad?
I'm taking the kids out of school today, permanently.
Why are we leaving so soon?
Because you're too damn attached to Alex and Marcus over here.
Morning ah. Buti naman umuwi ka pa. Away na naman. Akala ko nag-butcher ka na dahil sa mga bata. You're still a sorry coward. Anong sinabi mo? Duwag ka pa rin. Hindi mo nga maamin na bakla ka eh. Alam mo, buti na lang. Hindi sa'yo napunta yung custody. Dahil hindi mo naman sila kayang panindigan. Hindi mo nakakapikong ka na. Pag gising ko bukas, sana wala ka na. Good night and goodbye, Alex Vergara.
Hey, sleepyheads.
Hey, don't wake them up yet. It's still very early.
Tito Alex!
Good phone!
Daddy, I missed you.
Ano ginagawa niya dito?
Gusto ka namin makita.
Tito, why are you bringing your bags?
Ito yung mga clothes na i-donate ko sana.
I really missed you, Daddy. Tito Marcus!
Uy! Lance, Paige, Kat!
Oh my gosh, we missed you.
Also, how are you?
We're alright.
I miss you.
God, I missed you.
Talaga?
So much.
I'll miss you so din.
What?
Come
Come on,
Yeah,
Alex.
join you guys. Nabisa ba yung mga luto ko?
I'm so happy to be home.
So much.
Please cook for us. Yeah.
I will. Anong oras ang flight niyo later?
Tomorrow night pa, but it's very late at night.
So we'll have time to hang out for today.
Teka, tatawagan ko muna si Samuel para magpasalamat.
No! What we mean is that they're still busy and they're buying pasalubong. They don't want you to bother them.
Yeah, and he's gonna pick us up naman later, so we might as well enjoy the limited time that we have together.
Okay, so, saan niyo gusto pumunta?
Beach.
Hiking.
Well, as long as we're together.
Well, go na tayo anywhere.
Pwede din ba tayo mag-do the stuff we want?
Yes, of course. Just tell us. Yeah. Anything.
Lance, Grant, Paige. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We're going.
Where have they gone?
I know exactly where they are.
Marcus, let's talk. Sure, babe. Alex pala. Di ba nag-usap na tayo kagabi?
Iba kasi ngayon. Kasi andito yung mga bata.
Okay. Pero pumayag naman ako na mag-pretend tayo na tayo ulit eh. Para naman, syempre, hindi masamang memories ang naiwan natin sa mga bata.
Thank you.
Di ba nga sabi ko sa'yo, walang... Thank you din.
Paige! Lance! Grant!
Is there anything we can do for you?
Well, yes, there is. My kids, they're missing. Where are they? Can you bring them out?
Hindi yata nagpaalam yung mga bagets.
Where are they?
Unfortunately, ma'am, sir, they're not here. They left a while ago.
What?
Yes.
Well, where did they go?
They don't know! Those kids decided from themselves!
Huh?
They're just working here, sir! I have a family!
I have a son!
I have a pen! I need a drink.
I quit.
Gotcha, Paige! You're dead now!
Hoy! Aray! Ouch! Sakit doon na! Sabi ko huwag sa mata eh!
Oh, sorry! Eh, ikaw kasi bigla-bigla ka lumilitaw.
Napaka-careless mo kasi! Hindi ka nag-iingat! Actually, hindi lang sa water gun eh. Pati sa puso ng ibang tao, hindi ka maingat.
What? Yo, are you guys okay? Are you fighting?
No!
But it looks like you're fighting.
We're not.
It's payback time.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Chief!
Aray!
Oh, Marcus!
What happened?
Sprain yata ako.
Are you okay?
Shit. Don't mind me. Exercise lang to.
Tito Alex, do something.
Yeah, I will.
Ang cute niya talaga.
Di ba, babe?
Aray,
Hindi naman
aray.
masakit?
Aray!
Di masakit.
Masakit! Aray! Tulungan mo na ako dun ha. Dali ako sa slide.
Dadaling kita sa
Sakit.
slide.
Oo.
Sige na, halika na. Assist na kita.
Parang ayaw mo.
Gusto ko nga. Sige na nga eh. Tara na. Umapit ka sa akin.
Aray.
Umapit ka sa akin.
Hindi ko kaya maglakad eh.
Kaya mo maglakad. Sabi
Hindi,
ko lang
hindi ko
yan.
kaya maglakad.
Nasa utak
Kailangan
mo lang
mo
yan.
buhatin.
Hindi kita bubuhatin.
Sakit.
Hindi pa ako kumakain. Sige na.
Aray. Paige, okay na. Hindi na masakit.
Nag-away kayo, no?
Sino? Kami?
Don't maang-maangan. Yung Tito Alex. He fought, right?
Eh bakit niyo naman naiisip na magkaaway kami ni Tito Marcus niyo? Eh guys, kung ano-ano iniisip niyo ha?
I actually don't know why Kuya said that.
Simple. Because you're not sweet and touchy.
Hindi lang kami PDA ng Tito Alex mo.
Actually, that's true. But you do small touches here and there.
You two are avoiding each other.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are, Tito. Nakatira kami with you guys for almost a year. Of course we know. So, what's the catch?
Kasalanan kasi ng Tito Alex nyo.
Ang dami niya kasing demands palagi. Alam naman niya hindi ako makakapag-out eh.
That's still your issue? Hindi ba still na yun?
In any type of relationship, mahalaga na mag-out kayong dalawa. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Dahil hindi kayo mag-move forward.
Palagi siyang level up, move forward, ganito, ganyan. Hindi pa niya nakikita yung effort na ginagawa ko? At hindi pa ba sapat na magka-live-in kami? Alam naman niya importante yung career ko para sa akin.
Puro siya career. Nakakalimutan yung mas mahalagang bagay. Yung relasyon namin. Yung pagkasama namin. Kayo, alam mo career, mararamdaman mong accomplish ka. Pero hindi ka magiging tunay na masaya.
So what do you plan to do now?
So, dead-end na yung relationship niyo?
Look kids, masyado pa kayong bata para intindihin yung mga ganitong bagay. Alam niyo, minsan talaga, ang isang relationship, kailangang mag-end. Parang sa daddy at mommy mo. Parang sa amin ni Tito Marcus nyo. Kasi expired na yung understanding at exhausted na yung patience nyo sa isa't isa.
Do you love Tito Marcus?
Do you still love Tito Alex?
Oo naman!
We need to do something.
Yeah, I think nag-break sila because they lost us.
Huh? So it's our fault?
Somehow, yeah.
Maybe, but we can't be sure. All I know is that we can't leave them like this.
But what do we do?
I think I know what to do.
I'm gonna miss this when we're gone.
Okay kids, ba't hindi tayo mag-agree na habang nagbabanding tayo, wala magbabanggit ng pag-alis niyo mamaya?
Sounds fair. But you have to agree to not fight din.
Okay.
High five!
High five!
High five! High five!
Daddy,
Huh.
why di mo sinusubuan si Tito Marcos?
Kasi big boy na ako. So hindi na ako kailangan subukan.
Yes, alam niyo tama siya. At saka meron naman siya mga kamay.
Baka naman nag-aaway na naman kayo.
Yeah. How about we see that subuan again?
Come on, do it for us. Please.
Okay, sige. Pero sa isang kondisyon, dapat si Tito Alex niyo ang magsusubo.
No. Sabay-sabay.
Okay.
Oh.
Ito na oh.
I got that on cam. In case you ever decide to marry one day, that'll be in the video.
I got a surprise for you guys.
What?
Can you guys look at this?
Can you see?
Hey!
Hey! Ano to?
Yes!
Ano to? Ano na naman to?
Gotcha.
Look, we know you're just pretending to be okay because you're here with us.
So you're going to be handcuffed until maayos ang mga issues niyo.
But kids...
But kids. No, we won't let you off.
So you better start solving your problems.
Hey, hiling din yung phone ko.
calling me.
Nope.
Hey!
Hey!
Wait!
Kailangan ko sagutin yung akin. Nasa yung phone ko.
No! You promised to stay here with us, so no phones allowed.
Yeah, and we'll only go and make happy memories.
Hi, three.
Hi, three.
Hi, three.
Marcos was not answering his phone. If they took our kids without our permission, they're going to answer to the court.
Guys, relax. I know Alex and Marcos. They won't do anything to harm the kids.
I agree. I've met them and they're nice people. So let's just wait here, Sam.
Easy for you to say.
Which brings me...
This is what you call gulaman here in the Philippines.
Yes, it one has lemongrass, so it's refreshing.
Enjoy while waiting.
Yes.
This is good. My granny prepares these too. But this one is awesome.
Glad you like it, ma'am!
Yes, I did.
Ako muna dapat kasi ako magdadrive. Pagod na ako eh. Either sasakay ka o hindi.
Are you fighting?
Hindi ah.
No?
Good to hear.
Aray babe, ano ba?
Wow, nasasaktan ka.
Oo, okay nga pa.
sorry ah. Sorry babe, kasi ang laki mong harang dyan.
Ba?
They're fighting.
No.
We're not.
Let's just decide where we're gonna go next.
It's my turn to choose.
nga tayo
No, dito nga eh.
Dito.
Hey, you're fighting again.
Eh kasi Tito Marcos nyo eh, hindi cooperative eh.
Ako talaga? Itong tito nyo kasi, ayaw mag-commit. Parati nagtatago. Kaya kita mo.
Marcos, ang simple-simple lang naman. Tatakbo ka. Iiwas ka sa nagbabantay. Ikaw kasi masyado mong ina-analyze.
Ako?
Kaya tayo natataya.
Ako?
Oo, ikaw.
Ako pa yung nag-overanalyze?
Okay,
Ha?
enough of this. Let's just continue the game.
Just focus on the game, you guys. We have to win this.
Paige, what if tanggalin mo yung poses namin, di ba? Tanggalin mo kaya?
Oo nga. Para mag-enjoy naman kami. And we could play this game.
Just use your body coordinations. What? You'll figure it out.
Oh my God. Okay.
Arte mo? Oh my God ka pa. Hindi ka na.
Nakikialam ka. Tito.
Tuloy.
Tama naman ako ah.
Game, ano ba? Seryoso
Siya tinitignan ko eh. Oo. Antayin mo kasi sinasabi habang naglalaro.
Yan. Go. Nice one. Abir.
Go!
Palit tayo. Go. Ay, tinan mo rin yun, oh. Ayun, oh. Tinan mo. Ayun.
Ayun na. Yes! You won.
First, of course, you have to put the pepper. And then you put the garlic. And then you massage it. And then you put a little soy sauce.
Oh, I see.
And vinegar. And a little sugar. There. And then you just have to mix it. And massage it.
Okay. So this is how tapas are prepared.
Yes, I'm showing you my special marinade.
Lance likes this, right?
Yep, you just fry it and they love it.
I see. That's good.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, sumunod na kasi mga directions ko, mananalo tayo. Eh di nanalo tayo.
Opo na po, babe. Ang galing mo talaga. Wow!
Yee, they're patching things up.
Good thinking, Paige.
So where do we go next? I have another idea. Can we do what I want?
It's already
Can we,
your
can we?
second time. It's Kuya's turn now.
It's okay. You can take my turn.
Yes! I wish Tito Marcos and Tito Alex will be okay now.
So ano na nga pala ang plano niyo sa earn ni ate? Dadalhin niya ba sa US?
Actually, we haven't talked about it yet.
I think we should leave it with you, Tito Alex.
Bakit naman?
Because she's been with us all this time, and she only got to spend really little time with you guys.
So consider it as her making bawi for leaving you as a little kid.
And so we have a reason to visit you again and again.
Gandang ideya yan.
Besides, Mom wanted to return here for good.
What is your wish, Tito Marcos?
My wish? Ang wish ko sana mahanap ko na yung the one ko.
Anong ibig mo sabihin the one?
Yung the one. The one na makakasama ko when I start a family. Gusto ko kasi ng kids. Gusto ko ng mister. Gusto ko ng isang happy home life.
Wait, what about Tito Alex?
Your Tito Alex? Eh, iba naman kasi gusto niya. Nang gusto niya career and, you know, secret identities.
Grabe ka. Sobra ka naman, Marcos.
But it's true. Totoo naman yun eh. Dahil magkaiba ang vision ng future natin, sasanayin ko na yung sarili ko na hindi ka nakasama sa future.
Hey, let's not get too emotional. Baka hindi na tayo makauwi. So, one last stop. Who between you guys is going to decide where we're going?
Okay. I'll decide. Yun eh, kung okay sa'yo, Marcus.
Of course! Lagi naman kita pinagbibigyan, di ba?
Let's fly the planes na.
Sige.
This is my message to Mommy.
Me too.
Me three.
O din, try ko nga.
Come on.
I guess goodbye, Grant. Ingat ka sa US.
Sigurado ba kayo? Dito talaga tayo pupunta?
Yes! Welcome sa bahay ni Colonel Esquivel.
And Libby, bakit mo naisip to go here?
Because you're leaving. At bago ka umalis, gusto kong makapag-goodbye ka decently kay Libby.
Grant? Bakit ka tumawag?
I want to tell you something before I leave.
Ano?
Can you come outside first?
Ano yan?
Read it.
Posisyon na, posisyon na.
Ano yan?
M-I-S.
Ako rin. Miss na rin kita. Wait, puntahan kita dyan. Let's talk. Kailan ang flight mo?
Tonight.
Mag-ingat ka sa US, ha?
I will. Libby, I really, really like you.
Grant, I really like you too. But we're still young. At marami pa tayong kailangan gawin. At marami pang mangyayari sa atin. We'll enter college, makakamit tayo ng maraming tao, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming experiences, at kailangan pa natin abutin ang dreams natin.
I know. But then we'll meet again.
Yeah? Sa tingin mo?
Of course. You're one of my dreams. Kaya, palagi kitang habulin.
This is good. Even better than the ones I grew up with. Pinoy food is really better at home.
I told you.
Thanks for the recipes.
Recipes? Seriously? Can we try and reach him one more time? Please? It's 7 p.m. My kids are missing. And we have a flight later tonight. And she wants to talk about recipes.
I will. I'm sorry about this.
Look, I'm enjoying learning more about the kids through the people they live with for almost a year. Maybe with this knowledge, your kids get to like me. So just relax.
Relax? How the hell am I supposed to relax knowing our kids are missing? For all we know, they've been kidnapped!
They won't do that.
Well, they better not. Those are my kids. I'll fight tooth and nail for them. And mark my words! I'm bringing them with me tonight!
Hey. Can we talk?
Okay. Anong pag-usapan natin?
Sorry. Sorry, duwag ako. Takot ako na ipaalam sa mundo na bakla ako. Kasi takot ako mawala ng trabaho eh. Pero kung kapalit nun, kayo yung family ko mawawala. Babe. Pwede ba i-try natin ulit?
Sige. Sige, try natin ulit. Basta try lang ng try. Okay?
Thank you.
Oh, they patched things up.
Wait. Someone texted me.
Sino?
Si Dean.
Oh.
Lumayas daw itong mga bata.
Paige. Ano to?
Sorry. We just really wanted to spend time with you.
Sorry, Toddy.
Rupa. Hey! Come here! Join us!
Hey.
Okay na kayo? Talaga? Ha?
High five!
High five!
High five! One more! High five! High five! One more! High five! High five! I didn't know they ran away.
We just took them out. Nagpictures kami para, alam mo, may memories kami.
It's okay. At least they're safe.
Come on, guys. We gotta play the catch.
Hey. Take care of them.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. We gotta go. Go next, come on. Come on.
siguro nasa Japan na sila.
When we wake up, nasa San Francisco na sila.
Babe, thank you for staying with me.
Thank you din.
Alex. Nagre-resign ka na?
Oo, Kapaeng.
Bakit? Ayaw mo na ba yung ginagawa mo dito?
Hindi ho. Magre-resign ako dahil bakla ako. At dito sa network natin, walang lugar sa isang katulad ko. Kahit anong effort ko, hindi ko maabot ang pangarap ko dito. Dahil makikita nyo lang ako bilang isang bakla.
Alex.
Kaya, Kapaeng, maraming salamat na lang.
Sabi ko na eh. Di tama ako. Shokoy si Vergara.
O sige. Para matigil na yung pagbubulungan nyo. Oo. Bading ako. O, may problema kayo? Yan ang totoong barako. Umaamin sa totoong pagkatao. Alam mo?
Ako pa. Yung tubero. Siya si babe mo, no? Pare, walang masama doon. Magkumpare pa rin tayo. Pare, kahit na maging bakla, tomboy, butiki o baboy ka, magpare pa rin tayo. Pare, congrats ha. Nakapag-out ka na rin.
Salamat, pare. The best ka talaga. At yan ang mga balitang napapanahon. Ito po si Alex Vergara ng NSB News. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Ito ang Balitang Totoo.
Babe!
Yes,
babe. Okay yung bagong work mo,
Sinabi mo pa, babe. Alam mo ba? Sobra-sobra yung respeto nila sa akin sa bago ko network. Ang biro mo, babe, Ako ang first openly gay anchorman sa Pilipinas.
Wow,
Yun lang naman. Nice. Alam, babe, may interview nga pala ako dun sa isang magazine.
Talaga?
Oo.
Alam mo, sa akin din eh. May gusto mag-interview sa atin.
Wow.
Oo, kasi ina-admire nila yung relationship natin. So, ano? Sasabihin ko ba na yes?
Babe, oo naman. O basta pag sa akin din, lagi kang mag-yes.
Sasera ka.
Psst, uy, babe.
Oh.
Sandali, mamaya na yan, ha? Kasi may surprise ako.
Hindi pwede kailangan tapusin to. At saka, ano ba yung surprise mo sa akin?
Basta babe, para sa anniversary natin. Sige na.
Ito, Sarah, to. Ano nga yung surprise mo sa akin?
Sige na.
Ano?
Sige na, mamaya na lang, ha? Sige na, mamaya na lang. Sige na, mamaya na lang.
Ha? Nakakainis ka.
Mamaya na lang, babe,
Hindi mo
ha?
talaga sabihin sa akin. Hoy! Ito, oh. Babe, ano to?
Babe, nagluto ako ng something para sa'yo.
Ano?
Tsaka lang, ha? Babe, will you marry me?
Totoo ba to? Wala naman kasal dito sa atin.
Babe, meron sa New York, sa Finland, sa New Zealand, o kahit sa Vietnam pa. At babe, kahit saan mo gusto magpakasal.
Pwede bang isipan ko muna kung papayag ako magpakasal sa'yo? Joke lang. Yes na yes.
I love you, babe.
I love you too, babe. Kids! Welcome home! Kids! May sabihin ako sa inyo. Ikakasal na kami ng Tito Alex nyo!
We know!
We're glad we made it on time. And we're gonna be here for a while.
Congratulations, Tito Marcus! So now that Daddy Alex and Tito Marcus are getting married, it means Tito Marcus is also our daddy!
Yes!
Yeah, now we have two Taddies. Taddy 1, Taddy 2. Welcome to the family, Taddy Marcus.
So, where are you gonna get married? New York?
Sana. Para makapunta kayo.
I hope I can invite Libby to the wedding.
Yeah, oo naman. Basta okay sa daddy niya.
I'm feeling mo drop because I'm with my daddy.
All right. High five!
High five!
High five! One more! High five! Group hug! Group hug! Group hug!
Group hug!
Wait, tara na, sayo tayo. Sayo tayo. Wait, aray! Sayo tayo. Sayo tayo.
Pero pare pare ako sa'yo pare, kakat ba? Di ba kakat?
I like it here. I like my new room.
Me too. Finally, I have
more energy.
I like it here.
I like it here.
You will hold the time. You will have all the time.
Attack! I
Wedding? Just because I live with one?
I know, right?
Kat? Over naman, Grandma.
Okay,
Baba mo ng 1-2%.
Galit na galit.
Pio, kaya mo pa?
Walang-wala na yung mata.
Dahil sa init yan, direct.
Honestly? Shit, sorry.
Mag-level up din kami.
Honestly, tell me kung paano. You do everything for Alex. Sorry.
Siguro dapat issue yung gender, di ba, sir?
Tatanggap ka naman sila. Siguro lang. Bigla lang siguro sila. I'm sure balang araw matatanggap ka din ang mga pamangkin nito sa Alex.
Pauwi na kayo sa
We can order food here, right?
Of course. Tonight, dinner or Sunday. Sorry. Now everything falls into place.
Everything is fucking amazing. Tapos yung paglalong siya lang.
Oo nga pa. Everything falls. Wala kang alam pa nga natin ano? Mainit.
Everything's fine.
Ayusin mo, EA?